Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you a tour of One Oasis condominium. So it is a condominium project located here in Cagayan de Oro within walking distance to Limketkai Mall. It's developed by Philinvest, and today I'm actually here with my family. So Rain is over here and my husband is here. Beth is also here as well. So we are going to be spending some family time over here. And before I do that, I'll be first giving you a tour of the condominium, its amenities. I'll also show you the model units. So One Oasis is a condominium, as I mentioned, by Philinvest. They have several condominiums already finished around the Philippines in different cities. So they also have a One Oasis in Manila, they have one in Cebu, they also have one here in Cagayan de Oro. So it will be, once it's finished, it will have 5 buildings. So it's a mid-rise condominium. Currently, they have 2 buildings finished. So the construction of the 3rd building is still ongoing. So let's start the tour. So we're here at the pool area. So this is where we will be taking a dip later. So here's the pool area. There's actually a kiddie pool over there, but it's still closed right now. And this is the shower area for those who want to use the pool. Okay, so let's head on over to the multi-purpose building. Hi! Welcome to the model unit of One Oasis. So this is a 2-bedroom model unit, and feel free to take a look around. So we are here in the model unit of One Oasis. And now that you have finished with the tour, I will be sharing to you the other available unit. So One Oasis actually has 3 types of units to choose from. So we have a studio unit, 1 bedroom, and 2 bedroom unit. So in the first tower is composed of all 1 bedroom units. Now it's almost sold out. I think there's just 1 garden unit left on the first floor. And then here on the second tower, which is where the model unit is and where we are now, it's already been turned over as well, and it's almost sold out. So there are just a few remaining units left, and it's composed of all 2 bedroom units. Now on the third tower, which is still under construction, it will be composed of all studio units. So what I'm so excited to share with you is their amazing early move-in promo. So I've been in this industry for the past 10 years, and it's the first time that a developer has offered a promo like this. So what does early move-in promo mean? So usually with developers, when it comes to pre-selling projects, you have to pay off the equity first, or the entire down payment first, and then once it's paid off and once you've been approved by the bank, it's only then that the project or the unit or the house and lot will be turned over to you, meaning will be turned over to you, meaning you can already use your unit. If a unit is already ready for occupancy, or if it's a house or a lot, if it's already ready for occupancy, meaning the construction has been finished, it's already there, you can already use the unit, then you still have to pay the down payment or the equity in full and then get approved by the bank before the loan can be released. Now with the early move-in promo of One Oasis, instead of paying the total equity or the total down payment in full, you only have to pay 2.5% of the entire amount. So that's very, very minimal. So for example, their down payment is about 10%. So you only have to pay about 25% of that, or 2.5% of the full amount. So for example, with their 2-bedroom unit, which is 31 square meters, the total contract price is 4.3 million. Now 10% of that, of 4.3, is 430,000. So instead of paying the 430K in bulk before you can move in, you only have to pay 25% of that amount. So that is only 113,000. So again, either it's 25% of the total down payment or the total equity, or it's 2.5% of the total contract price. So again, that's a very minimal amount compared to paying the 10% equity or the 10% down payment outright, correct? So the advantage here is that you only have to cash out 2.5% of the total contract price and then get approved by the bank. And then once you're approved, the unit can be turned over already to you. So you can use your unit. So if you want to use the unit yourself, then you will only have to cash out a very minimal amount. Or if you want to lease out the unit, if it's for investment, then you can already use the unit to have passive income. And then the renter will be the one to pay for the succeeding monthly equity. Because the equity will still be paid, but it will be in installment at 0% interest. So once the equity is fully paid, that's the time that the bank will release the loan, and then you will also start paying for the monthly amortization of your condo unit. So again, it's a very sulit deal because you will only cash out a very minimal amount of money to be able to own a condo unit. So let me run through the computation and the prices quick, so you will be able to really fully appreciate and understand. So again, as I mentioned, there are 3 types of units. So let's start with the 2-bedroom. So a 2-bedroom unit is 31 square meters. It's 4.3 million. So the initial investment there, or your down payment, is only about 113,000. So you only pay 113,000. And then once you're approved by the bank, the unit can be turned over to you. And as for the balance of your equity, you can pay that in monthly installments. So after that, your loanable amount at the bank will then be around 3.8 million. So if you spread that over a period of 15 years, that's about 34,000 per month for 15 years. So now a 2-bedroom unit can be rented out from between 35,000 to 40,000 per month. So once you get a renter, then your property, your investment can then become self-liquidating because you can use the rental payments to pay off your monthly amortization in your property. So now let's go to the 1-bedroom unit. So what's available now is their 1-bedroom garden unit. So a garden unit is a 1-bedroom condo unit, which is 28 square meters, and then at the back there is a pocket garden of 20 square meters. So you can use the extra space to actually grow plants if you're a plantita. So you can use it as a yard, or you can use it as a play area. So it depends on you how you want to use your extra garden space. So total contract price for their 1-bedroom garden unit is 4.6 million. The down payment is 16,000 for 30 months, or if you want to go with their promo and only pay 2.5% equity, then that's 122,000 upfront. And then once you get approved by the bank, the unit will be turned over to you. Now your monthly amortization at the bank will be around 37,000 for 15 years. And then lastly, their studio unit. This one is still pre-selling, is 22 square meters. So that's pretty much the standard size of studio units here in Cagayan de Oro. So total contract price of a studio unit is 2.9 million. Down payment then is 18,000 per month for 24 months. So there's no early move-in promo for their studio because the tower is still under construction. So you can go with their stretched equity at 0% interest. So it's only 18,000 for 24 months, and then the mortgage at the bank will be about 22,000 per month for 15 years. So that's it for the available units here in One Oasis. So as I mentioned in my intro a while ago, it's right in the heart of Cagayan de Oro, within walking distance to Limketkai Mall, and it's also near other malls such as Centrio and SM Premier. And what I really love about this project is it's 55%. It's not 50%, it's 55% open space. So, and also I love their Asian-Balinese architecture. You feel like you're inside a resort hotel. So it's really perfect for, you know, families, or it's also a good rental property, especially for those who have not yet invested in any properties here in Cagayan de Oro. Then this may be the best first investment for you because it's very affordable. Like I said, the studio is only 2.9 million. But when One Oasis launched a couple of years ago, their one-bedroom unit was only about 2.3 to 2.4 million. So now it's already at 3 to 3.5. Their garden unit is at 4.6. So you can really see the appreciation of the project through the years. Okay, so that's it for now. If you have any questions about this project in focus, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.